Today, I'll show you how to change time to 12-hour format in TradingView. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In TradingView, the 12-hour or 24-hour clock is a chart display setting. TradingView says this setting changes how time is shown on the chart timestamps, and you can switch it from the Chart Settings menu. To get started, open any chart in TradingView. Then open the Chart Settings menu. TradingView says the time format setting is found inside Chart Settings, not in the General Account menu. Once you're in Chart Settings, go to the Scales tab. TradingView's official update about the 12-hour clock says this is the exact place where the time format control appears. Inside that tab, look for the Time Format drop-down list. Now choose 12-hour format from that drop-down. As soon as you select it, TradingView says the formatting is applied to the timestamps on the chart. That means instead of seeing time in 24-hour style, like 1300 or 1630, you'll start seeing AM and PM style time on the chart. If you ever want to switch back, just go to the same place again and choose 24-hour format instead. TradingView's official note makes it clear that both options are available from the same time format menu. Now here's one more thing to remember. Time format and time zone are not the same setting. TradingView says chart time zone can be changed separately, either by clicking the clock at the bottom of the chart or from chart settings. So if your chart shows the correct AM and PM format, but the hours still look wrong, you may need to adjust the time zone too. So, in simple terms, open chart settings, go to scales, find time format, and switch it to 12-hour. That's the main way to show AM and PM time in TradingView. And that's how to change time to 12-hour format in TradingView. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.